Good day, dear students of UCSP. Welcome to week 3 of our lessons Group Life with Human Dignity and Group Socializations or Social Group. But first, let us discuss human dignity or human rights. Particularly, we focus on the protection or advocating human rights. What is human dignity? Human dignity, the English word dignity comes from the Latin word dignitas, which means the worthiness, the importance of a human being. Dignity is defined as the quality of being worth of honor and respect. And basically, human beings has uh, dignity and equal of dignity regardless of race, sex, social status, economic status. So we have the same dignity as human beings. All human beings deserve to be respected for they are all created by God. So we become equal because we are all created by God. The right to live entails the right to dignity. Human dignity can't be earned and can't be taken away. This is what we call inalienable right. These are human rights. Human rights is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and passed by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948 to emphasize the human rights of all peoples of the world. The year of this declaration was right after World War II, and the international community is aware that the people from all states, regardless of gender, belief, race, and status, should be protected. As human beings, we all deserve to be protected by the society, our state, our government. Articles of Human Rights. Technically, there are 30 Articles of Human Rights. Article 1, right to equality. Article 2, freedom from discrimination. Article 3, right to life, liberty, personal security. Article 4, freedom from slavery. Article 5, freedom from torture and degrading treatment. Article 6, right to recognition as a person before the law. Article 7, right to equality before the law. Article 8, right to remedy by competent tribunal. Article 9, freedom from arbitrary arrest and exile. Article 10, right to fair public hearing. These are the important elements of each article. I said there are 30 articles of human rights. However, I presented to you the first 10. And of course, you have your ideas and research and read about different articles of human rights. Article 1 talks about that all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. And so, as Article 2, everyone is entitled all the rights and freedoms set forth in the Declaration without distinction of any kind or such status in life, color, race, language, religion, political, or other opinion. Article 3 has something to do with the right to life, liberty, and security of a person. And Article 4, no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Slavery and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. This is protected. Slavery is not anymore in the context of our modern society having international human rights. Then Article 5, 6, and 7, these are the elements of each article we discuss for this topic, articles of human rights. And then Article 9 and Article 10, this again, the explanation or elements uh, that cover the article of human rights or each article of human rights. There are Article 11 to 30. You have to read and research the other articles. And all of us are endowed with rights and freedom regardless of our race, color, belief in gender, and socioeconomic. We are equal in rights and dignity. Discrimination is in any form, and for whatever reason, will never be justifiable. It should be emphasized that each one of us should have a dignity, a human dignity. Humane treatment should be extended even to those who have violated the laws. Even those who are criminals, they are protected by our laws, and they should be protected. No cruel or degrading penalty should be imposed upon them despite what they have done. It is not only our life that is protected by this declaration. When rights of people are respected, peace and order will be maintained because people will feel secure. I think we have to maintain and address in our government the importance of human rights to be respected. Conflicts are avoided if not totally eradicated. If we respect human rights, people are able to perform their respective functions without fear of being violated upon. Thank you for your listening, and I hope we advocate and promote the protection of human rights because this again will help humankind to live a life, a dignified human life.